So today on the 2013 BMW 335i, we started off by cleaning the rims with SnowNex wheel cleaner. It breaks up the brake dust and makes it easier to rinse the rim. And then we used a Diablo gel wheel cleaner by Chemical Guys. When doing that process, we used the foam cannon, also by Chemical Guys, to loosen up the dirt and grime that's on the rim. So we used the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash, which is really gentle on wrapped vehicles. It produces a lot of suds and gives us a lot of slickness to wash the vehicle with the microfiber wash mitts. After the wash, we use Chemical Guys Meticulous Matte, which is a sealant spray for matte finishes. In this case, with his BMW, it is a matte finish, so applying the sealant will help prevent it from dirt and any grime sticking to it. And then to dress the tire, we used another Chemical Guys product called Blue Guard. It gives a high shine protectant to the rubber on the wheels. And then always, you gotta have your car smelling, looking, and feeling good. So we had to go with Chemical Guys Stripper Scent. We did that by spraying the floorboards of the vehicle on the carpet and putting the air on recirculate. And make sure when you do that the AC is blowing cold, and seal the vehicle so you get a nice fresh smell.